Hello everyone. Nature has secrets that only lucky few ever get to see. But today you are in for those once in a lifetime moments. Friends, be sure to subscribe to the channel before starting the video. Let's uncover them together. Christmas Island in India was in an extraordinary place. The world's largest population of carp which fill the island every year, turning roads and forests into a flaming red tide.
Oh shit. Right here?
Apart from the sudden appearances, manatees are harmless to humans and very friendly.
Somehow we held on to that one. Holy crap.
In August 2017, torrential rain struck in tiny Australian town and the sudden flood caused I have got some locals right in the middle of a cave.
It's weg, Doc, it's weg. Hast du das schon mal gesehen, Helga? Hast du das schon erlebt? Was passiert da? Was passiert da? Ja.
The driver narrowly missed the handbrake wheel, which was just trying to feed. The 20-ton monster swam straight toward them with its mouth open. The driver electrified reflection, where the only thing that stopped it from becoming food.
There we go.
Mel, look, Mel.
Yeah,
I'm right behind.
I'm
my
trying to do
God.
this.
Mel, turn.
I'm not doing that right now because I'm doing this.
That's nothing compared to what's right behind you.
Yeah. Okay.
¿Viste eso? Cayó ahí.
Hay un rollo en la alberca. Pues tienen que sacar.
Sí, pues se nos sacaron a todos.
El agua trae.
Imagine a tropical Sydney morning. People walk on the beach and are shocked. A strange creature stands before them with shark-like skin but human lips. Is this a freak of nature or a message from the deep? The mystery is still unsolved. Pay attention to the bird. Floods always show people the places where stronger, more resilient structures need to be built.
Focus, focus! Oh! Watch the bird, guys. Focus on the bird. Oh!
Go, birdie, go!
With all my guests here. How's it going, guys?
Terrific.
When hot metal boiling at 1000 degrees Celsius heats frozen water, it instantly turns into a cloud of steam.
It's rolling, it's rolling! I got it! Oh! Me too! Recording, Doug? Yeah. Me too. First time in the world. It's still turning. Look. It's going.
Sparks and flames lit up the sky during torrential rain. This scene occurred at the Mount Pleasant, USA on August 11, 2025, where lightning struck a power line, knocking out power to several neighborhoods. On October 20, 2021, Mount Aso in Japan erupted. The eruption was so powerful that ash, debris and gas reached area up to 1 kilometer away from the volcano. The couple was out on the Colorado River Reservoir when they got a front row seat to an amazing spectacle. Hats off to the operator who managed to film the moments it happened.
Ох, ебануться.
Tsunamis often follow earthquake in Japan. The 2011 event was particularly dangerous, with waves reaching height up to 7 meters in some areas.
あー、やばいよ。
いや、ここは避難場所だから。うわうわうわ、よく。
あ、やばいあの人。
よくこうすげえ水に埋まった。ああ、船車流された。車、うわ、人が逃げてます。
やべえよあの
ほんとほんと、飲まれてたぞ。あ、間に合わねえ。
あ、船が倒れ
危ねえ危ねえ危ねえ危ねえ。マジすごい。え？いない。津波でもううちの下のイルカハウスとかもすごいからさ。
あの人マジ危なかったっすよ。
嘘。ちょっとかけ直すわ。うん、じゃあね。うわー、もう1回目よりするんですか。
うん。
It looks like the apocalypse, but it's actually just a sandstorm in New Mexico. Severe weather can also be terrifying. A man in China was able to capture amazing footage just before a typhoon hit.
Alright, y'all, check this out. We just hiked like 1.5 miles, 2 miles, a couple hundred feet in elevation to come find this. It's called the octopus tree. It's currently suspended above this trail, growing off of a log that's falling apart. And eventually this log will be completely gone, but its roots have attached themselves to the bottom of this other log and down into the ground. So hopefully one day when this log falls apart, this thing will stay standing straight up in midair and others can come and check it out.
Because of the unusual features, the female deer see him as the quietest deer in the entire forest. However, his antlers are hollow inside, so his crown is not very heavy. A fifth of Alaska Tracy Arm Fjord is locked in ice, and it's exactly in spots like there where the most stunning scene unfolds.
Oh, das war Wahnsinn. Ja. Ich kann doch gleich zurück, denke ich mal. Oh. Jetzt kommt der andere hinterher.
Капец это. Паутина, прикинь? Да. Видели когда-нибудь?
It's surprising to think how many spiders it must have taken to spin that much wave.
Сколько труда. Ого.
Zarpado.
Info Pamekasan saat ini airnya menjadi merah seperti ini di Sungai Kelampar, layaknya seperti anggur merah tuh. Dan ini sudah nyampe di kota ya, Pamekasan, alirannya dari Dam Kelampar. Dan sampai saat ini belum diketahui penyebabnya karena apa, karena masih dilakukan.
This sea creature has incredibly beautiful name, the Venus Cuddle, thanks to its slender, ribbon-shaped body. The clone jelly glides gracefully, almost like it's dancing underwater.
Is the chicken gonna go?
Jai Ho Bholenath.
During earthquake, libraries in Japan are no longer the quietest and calmest place in town.
Ahora mismo está pasando la LP2 a la altura de Camino Pastelero.
Living near volcano comes with a huge risk, but the local are used to it. Their homes are insured and they have learned to evacuate in just a few minutes. When viewed safely from afar, drifting ice is one of the most fascinating natural phenomena.
lo llevó.
特别喜欢兔子，我40号。对，好。
A few people managed to capture an extraordinary sight. Thaffals hiding right inside their nest on a leaf. The ants try to get in, but the thick walls keep the little ones safe. If the nest is broken, they immediately jump into the water to escape.
Si en caso que las hormigas pudieran acercarse más, ellos lo más seguro van a saltar y van a caer al agua y así se escapan. Porque ya estos están bien desarrollados. Ve que ya tienen colita. Ve las hormigas ahí tratando de sacarlos.
In China, a local caught on camera a massive mud flow pouring into a river, a disaster for the houses in its way. No obstacle can stand in the way of nature, especially when it comes to massive landslide. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing moments. See you in the next one.